Hello and welcome to my Clicko review. I'm going to show you the bonuses that you'll get if you pick up Clicko through my link below. And then I'm going to go ahead and show you the sales page. Then we'll look at a demo and then I'll tell you my final thoughts of what this software does and if it's right for you. So Clicko is obviously, this is going to be kind of a hypey headline. You have to ignore those in the internet marketing industry and make money online industry. Just ignore the bold claims and just see if the software is actually going to do something that is valuable for you in your business, right? So let me show you real quickly the bonuses that I'm going to offer. You can click the link below and check out more details about Clicko. And let's go down here. So what you're going to get, this is an exclusive offer. This is not grabbing PLR from other websites and then bringing it through here. This is custom done for you. Bonuses, right? This is a 12-page custom guide on how to get traffic to your website. This is not PLR rehashed info, and it's fresh, and you get 10 strategies. It's a nice PDF guide on real actionable 2021 content on how to actually get traffic to your website. So that is, I'm going to say right off the bat, that's what Clicko is missing. It's going to go out there and build a website for you, but you're not going to have traffic to that site. And that's going to become the biggest hurdle that you're going to have to overcome is traffic to your website. And so this bonus right here is going to be great for that. And then some other options or some other bonuses that I have is effective content marketing, because you are effectively going out and doing content marketing for this to work. And so this training right here is going to teach you how to do content marketing to bring more visitors to your website as well. So it solves that traffic problem again, right? And then SEO and ranking tactics. So you're going to have a website, right? But what content should you put on there? Now, Clicko has to do with bringing in videos, automatically building a video website. But what this training will do is teach you how to actually create content, and actually you're going to want to add more. You're going to want to add text to those pages so you can start ranking these pages and this website. So this is going to help with that as well. And then finally, to drive more traffic to your website instantly, this is the method that I would focus on, is to build a YouTube channel around the website niche that you use Clicko for, right? And then start putting the new website that you created in Clicko and start driving traffic from YouTube to your site. And then when people click on the ads in Clicko, then you get paid. So those are my 4 bonuses. They are very relative to what you're going to need with Clicko. Just the part that Clicko doesn't have is really the traffic. Okay, so what is Clicko all about? Clicko is a software that allows you to create full websites from YouTube videos automatically. Yes, a click of a button, and you get a full done for your website that will be engaging for visitors. Is that true? Yes, you will. I'll show you the demo in a minute. Now you have to just kind of look at what you're getting. If you want to be able to build a full-blown video website out in a matter of 10 minutes, then Clicko is the right software for you, right? Now there's going to be other people coming out with videos that are going to say that it's not, a good software or something like that. And that's just another marketing take. They're still offering you something and they're still trying to sell something to you. So you have to see what the software does for you. And if it does solve a problem like creating a website automatically for you, then that is great. You can, but you're going to need to drive traffic to that website, right? So essentially what you do is you log into Clicko and you put in some keywords. It goes out and fetches a bunch of videos. You add all those, it builds the whole website for you, multiple pages with multiple videos on it. And then you're going to install Google AdSense on the website or other forms of advertising. And then you just need to drive traffic to your website. So it's a site that's ready to go, and you're going to earn passive income by just people going and watching videos on the site. And this isn't really a new concept. Really what you're paying for is a modern software that is good out of the box, ready to go for this, right? Okay, so let's go check out the web page or the sales page real quick. So right here, you're obviously going to get a sales video. You can go and check that out when you click over to check it out. I kind of just ignore a little bit of these bold claims. They're not really telling you anything about what the software actually does, right? I just like to skip right to the demo of the software and what problem it solves for you. Now, this is a really long sales page. Essentially, here's the 3 steps. You access your Clicko, click on any of the buttons on the page to grab a copy of Clicko at the lowest price. That's true. If you wait longer, then the price will go up. And after the launch, the price will go up. significantly. Then you get your pay link. We'll give you a special pay link. Every time someone clicks this, you get paid, and then blast with traffic. Click once to insta blast your pay link with free traffic. I can tell you right now that the traffic is going to come from established social media. So it's going to, if you have established social media accounts, then you will be able to just click a button and, post out and get clicks to your website, depending on how big your audiences are. But most people don't have established social media traffic, or they would be selling their own products. So you are going to have to build up a method to get traffic to your site. So you can go through here. There's going to be, income claims and all that good stuff, right? So you can read through this entire sales page, or you can just skip through, and I've got a demo video for you right here. We'll just kind of go through. I'm not going to actually go through it. You're going to go to your Clicko once you purchase the product, and then you're going to log in. And once you log in, this is kind of what it looks like. The dashboard looks fresh and looks modern. I like that. So that's kind of, this is what you're paying for. You're going to get some stats and some graphics here. That's really good. And then you can see over here the dashboard. There's video sites, done for you sites. I think that's like an upgrade. And then there's banner ads, ads builder, tutorials, and support. So that's good. So keep going through here. So your video sites, when you click on video sites, these are all the sites that are hosted on Clicko sites. So you will actually be able to build a bunch of websites and have as many as you want. I'm not sure. I think it might be limited on the front end. The front end is $19, by the way. And if you actually click out, there will be a downsell of $2. So you can actually get the software for $17. That's just kind of a tip for you. But you can host a certain amount of sites. And then I think the first OTO, I'm not going to go over all the OTOs, but the first OTO is like an unlimited version where you can host as sites as you want. So let's see right here. You would go to add a new site. Learn how to make 6 figures monthly. So they put that in there, and then you put your website footer. And so you're going to go through, right here, website name, the description, right? You're going to put in all this. You're building out your site just by filling out some information. Then you're going to put schedule daily videos. So the software is going to go out there and automatically find videos and then automatically post as many as you want per day. So there's a huge automation factor going on with the software, and that's the value of the software, right? And then video monetization actions. So that's where you're going to set your monetization, which means how you're going to get paid. And then there's add a new category. So you have all kinds of different categories. You can build it out. It's going to go and find videos and put them on your site, right? And it's going out there and hunting, and you can preview the video, and you can just push add video. So you can manually add, or it will automatically go out there and do, like right here, 5 scheduled videos per day on the software. And there's embed codes and all kinds of good stuff here. And then it gives you kind of what the site will actually look like right here. And looks like it'll be a pretty sharp looking site. Here's the social traffic. You click on a button, and then you have all these options right here to go and send out to get traffic if you have established audiences with those, right? So what do I think of Clicko? Well, I think that you have to know what you're buying, what software you're buying, right? Is the software doing something for you? Yes, it is. It's building an entire website. It's going out and getting videos to put on there. It's actually building a nice looking website for you. So if that's what you're struggling with, is actually having an asset to make money from, then this would work for you, right? And then you would just need to drive traffic to it. What is missing with Clicko is that you're probably not going to make $30 every time someone clicks. You're probably not going to just start making money by buying Clicko. You're going to need to devise a plan where you can actually start getting traffic to your website. And then that's when people will click on the ads, and then you'll start making money from your website. So that's what you have to know. You have to know kind of what you're getting. Is this software worth $17? Yeah, this software is probably worth $17. And so if you want to pick it up and you want to get all 4 of my custom bonuses, then click the link below. And I appreciate your time, and take care, and I'll see you in my next video.